sound of bamboo. Sprout. Rainfall. Delicious. These tiny sounds make up the city. I hear the wind blowing through the bamboo forest. Even before humans came on the scene, bamboo has already existed on the earth. The life in these forests hides upwards power, which nourishes countless species. I hear the startled birds flying in the bamboo forest. Since its encounter with human beings, bamboo has gifted infinite creativity here. Plant bamboo, use it, and love it. People change their imagination of life with a touch of greenery. I hear dreams in the mountains and bamboo forests. Here, bamboo is poetry, literature, art, the most natural imagination and the most wonderful possibility. It's a lifestyle. I hear a wider world. Step by step, bamboo came from ancient times, from the mountains to the human vision to a bigger stage. Qingshen is taking bamboo as a bridge to attract the attention of the world. This is Qingshen. Here, I hear the sound of bamboo growing.